Welcome to 25 Days of Tax Friday's third edition. This time is day 21. Let's get started. So day 21 says number of suppliers that deliver more product items than average. First, we need to calculate how many products each supplier delivers. So we put supplier ID in there, and then we put product ID, and we do a count. So supplier 1 delivers 3 products, supplier 2, and now we need to find what is the average number of products that each supplier delivers. And to do that, we need to do the average of these columns. So we're going to export to Excel. So now we have the supplier ID and the number of products each supplier delivers. We want the average of that. So on average, each supplier delivers 2.66 products. So if we go back to Power BI, we want to find where the count is greater than 2.66. Apply. And then we're going to drop in the supplier again, and we're going to do a count to know how many suppliers. And we have 16 suppliers that deliver more products than average. Lovely. How do we do this in DAX? So we're going to do evaluate, and first we're going to calculate the supplier table, or create the supplier table, which is going to be summarized, suppliers, supplier ID, and then we're going to count products, which is count maybe I can find it easier here, product ID. Lovely. And then because this is a variable, you need to do return supplier table in order to be able to run it. And now we have the supplier table that we had before. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to calculate the average. Average products, which is going to be the average of supplier table on the column that is count products. And last but not least, we're going to do a count rows. We're going to do a count rows on the supplier table, but we want to do it on the supplier tables where the count products is bigger than the average. So we need to filter the supplier table that we created at the top with the condition that the count products column is bigger than the average products that we calculated on the variable there. And then count rows. Now this is going to fail unless I put it onto a row. So I'm going to copy this, go to day 21 and paste it in there and run it here instead, so I don't get an error. Day 21, 16. So I will see you in day 22.